Hello and welcome to another ATN tutorial. In this video I'm going to be talking about the ThOR LT, the light thermal scope. You've got your USB Type-C charging port. You charge it for at least 6 hours when you get it, and it'll last you about 10 hours of continuous use. Here in the back you've got your diopter adjustment ring to adjust to your particular eyesight, so you would want to look through the eyepiece. Look at either the crosshair or the widgets and turn it until they become nice, crisp, and clear. Here in the front you've got your focus adjustment ring to achieve proper focus at various distances.
To turn on the device, press and hold the power button until you see the ATN home screen. If the scope freezes or stops responding to the control panel, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to reboot the scope. The first screen you'll see after turning on the device is the home screen. It consists of scales, status bar icons, and different information widgets. A short press of the up button will cycle through your change and zoom. A short press of the left button will allow you to perform a contrast image cycle change. A short press of the right button allows you to adjust the brightness of your micro display screen. A short press of the down button will change your thermal mode from white hot to black hot. A short press of the OK button will perform a manual nuke. A long press of the OK button, 1 to 2 seconds, will open the menu. The menu will appear on the left side of the screen. You will see the following icons: Nuke, Pix, Ret, Sense, and Zero. Nuke. This feature allows you to turn on and off the auto nuke feature. Press the OK button to enter the nuke menu. Press the up button to cycle the nuke on or off. Press OK to exit to the menu. Nuking helps to improve the image quality when the image is degraded by various environmental factors. There are multiple nuke tables that span the full operating temperature range, and the scope automatically selects the optimum table based on its temperature. You can set the system to perform a nuke automatically at a predefined time interval, or you can turn the automatic nuke off and nuke the system manually as required by pressing the OK button when in the home screen. Pix. This feature is intended to correct neutral pixels in the display. Select the option by using the OK button when Pix is highlighted. Move the dot to the area of the display with the neutral pixel and place the flashing dot directly over the neutral pixel. A short press of the OK button will select the pixel for repair. After the short press of the OK button to select the pixel for repair, a long press of the OK button will exit the pixel correction mode. Ret. This option allows you to select one of 4 reticles available in the scope. Press the OK button to enter the reticle menu. Once there, use the up and down arrow buttons to select the reticle you like. Press the OK button to save your selection. Sense. This option gives you the ability to adjust the thermal sensitivity of your scope. Thermal sensitivity allows you to select how sensitive the thermal sensor is in picking up thermal heat signatures. Press the OK button to enter the thermal sensitivity menu. Press the up button to cycle through the sensitivity options. Once you select the thermal sensitivity you would like to use, short press the OK button to save your selection. Zero. This option gives you access to the one-shot zero in order to zero your reticle to your weapon. You will need to obtain a target that is able to be detected by a thermal imager. ATN has thermal targets available for purchase, or you can use any of the following items: cold or hot water bottle, hand warmers, or foil-based tape. We recommend using a bore sight device in order to get on target faster. Once the scope is aligned with a bore sight, follow the one-shot zero procedure in order to zero the scope to your weapon. Press the OK button to enter the zero mode. You will see on your display 2 reticles. One will move via use of your keypad, the other will remain stationary. While keeping the gun as steady as possible, fire a round. Using the keypad, move the red reticle to the point of impact while keeping the black reticle on the original point of aim at which you fired the shot. Once you have placed the center of the red reticle on the point of impact, press the OK button to save the zero. If you feel confident that you have the best possible zero, a long press of the OK will exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you need to fine-tune the zero, you can refer to the previous instructions in the fine-tune zero. Although you may not need more than one shot to zero your scope, we do recommend that you fire additional shots once the initial zero process is complete to ensure the optic and weapon are truly zeroed. If additional corrections need to be made to fine-tune the zero, make those corrections as needed. Thank you for watching this ATN tutorial for the ThOR LT.